Hello everyone. It's been a long time. But I'm back. In today's video, oh, how rude of me. We come to tangoing in the kitchen. In today's videos, we are going to be making Cuban coffee, also known as a cafecito. But answer me this question. Well, those two would be better. This one and this one. Shall we find out? Let's find out by making Cuban coffee. So we make Cuban coffee in a mocha pot. You fill this with water. This already have water in. I already pre-fill it with water already. Then we can use Café Bustelo. You can use this mark, or in other states there's a different brand. You can use this brand or other brands, your favorite brand. We are going to fill this. I'll try how to get more of this. I started drinking coffee when I was actually 10 years old. Now we wait. Just stirring. We're going to pour 2 cups of sugar. A spoon. 2 spoons. Going to pour some coffee. The moment of the truth. One is better. Starbucks or Cuban coffee? Let's try. So you like this video? Or you enjoy this video? Hit that like button. And so you want to know more about recipes and baking, Elaine has to bake or cook some food, like Cuban food. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.